this is the Holiday Inn Express in Easton. You walk in, that's what you see. We're getting ready to check out actually. To the left, as soon as you walk in, there's a microwave, a Keurig. We actually didn't use that. They have free coffee down in the lobby and a mini fridge. Then you have the bathroom here. It's kind of a small bathroom, but it did just fine. And there's the tub. There's a full-length mirror right there. This is the closet. Has a safe in it, an ironing board. There's a little switch there. I think it's a light that comes up behind there because with the TV, there is a light that comes up. And the bed is directly across here. It's a king-size bed. Those lights come on. There's also a light that comes on behind the bed, which is actually really cool. There's a clock. The artwork is okay. You have your own thermostat that you can control. Then here you have a big long bench, which is really nice to put your suitcases and stuff on. There's these nice hooks there. There's the television set. It's kind of small, but not a big deal. It's a little dresser under the television set. We wanted to hook our computer up through the HDI, and we couldn't do that because that's the remote that comes with it. So we had to call the desk and get that remote. So we were able to do it and watch Hulu on the TV. There's a little desk and a desk chair over here. Touch lamp. The window's small for a hotel, and there's like no great view. That's the air conditioning heat. There's two shades, a blackout shade and then a shade that you can kind of see through. I guess the rooms in the back might have more of just all trees. This is our view. This is like on the front and the side. That's Route 50 out there, so no great view. There in the corner here, there's this weird lounge chair thing, which is okay. It's comfortable to sit back on, but I would have preferred a normal couch. Another lamp. This table is small and heavy, and it goes up and down, and we couldn't get it to, so I wasn't crazy about this table. I would have preferred a bigger table that we could have moved around and was lighter. And there's the bed from the side. Another lamp. One of the things that's nice is this hotel's been redone, I think recently, because it has tons of plugs and USB slots, which you don't always see that. So here's what the room looks like. It's not a real small room, but it's not a real big room either. But everything is nice and new and clean. So I think it's been renovated recently. So we didn't have any major complaints. The biggest complaint probably is the door to the hotel has a lot of light that comes around it and a lot of sound, and we could hear the hallway really well. That was our only complaint, and a lot of light came through the side cracks. So anyway, Holiday Inn Express in Easton, Maryland. Hope this was helpful.